Hi everybody, it's Adam here, coming to you outside again, and we're gonna talk about the core word out. Because right now, out is outside. That is me against the sky. And I am out in my yard. And I also wanted to show you something really cool. This is a snow fort. This is something you can build when you pack up snow and stack it up on top until you can make a wall. So I'm gonna take you in this very cool snow fort. We are now in a snow fort. That is not the core word. In was last week. And now I'm going to step out of the snow fort. Look at that. Okay, guess what, kids? Make things, build things, go outside. It's a beautiful day to be outside and to play. Make a snow fort and be out of the house. Out. There's a house, and I am out of the house outside. See you later.